Will your criminal record affect your chances of getting a green card? The short answer is yes, it will. A lot of people will ask me, well, I got my record expunged. It doesn't matter. Even if you got your record sealed or expunged, that will still show up on an FBI background check, especially if you were an adult at the time you committed the crime or allegedly committed the crime. So now there are some crimes that are worse than others, of course. Generally, if it's something called a crime involving moral turpitude, which is essentially a crime that is just morally wrong and really bad for society. So a lot of like if someone was harmed, intentionally harmed, certain types of domestic abuse, child abuse, even embezzlement or fraud, it's something that is a very intentional crime that hurts people. That's probably going to be a no-go. But of course, there are some caveats. You're always given the chance to explain yourself and try to argue your way around this. And this is why it's so important to have a lawyer for these types of cases. But what the government is going to want to see is certified copies of your court records, certified copies of your police report, an explanation of you. Everything comes into it. Your history, how long ago this was, if you've been out of trouble since then, exactly how this alleged crime occurred, whether you were convicted or the charges were dropped, did you take a plea deal, etc. All of this will kind of work together to for that officer to determine whether or not they should give you a green card. Because at the end of the day, a green card is not a entitlement, it's not a right, it's a privilege. The other thing too is, what if you have a green card and then you commit a certain crime? Will that affect your chances of becoming a U.S. citizen? Yes, it absolutely can. I've seen some things as minor as an open traffic violation, and someone goes to their U.S. citizenship interview, and the officer will say, hey, I can't give you the green card, the U.S. citizenship now, but go take care of this case, and then we'll talk. So I hope this helps. I know this comes up a lot. These are cases that are very, very delicate, and you absolutely need an attorney for. If you have questions about this, or if you've already submitted something and you have questions about it, or you're thinking about submitting something, of course, you can use the link in my bio to schedule a consultation. I'd be more than happy to discuss your case with you.